Hi, my name is Pascal Doucette, VP of Sales at Doucette Machinery. Today we're going to make a presentation of how to use our pressure calculation tool that we have on our website. It's under our Resource Center page. So if you're using one of our clamp carrier, you're looking to always, how should I adjust my pressure based on my application? So today we want to demo you how to use the pressure calculation from our website. And so you're going to be more efficient next time you go around doing that step.
When I get to the Doucette webpage, this is where I can reach the pressure tool calculation. It's under resource menu. And then there I have multiple choice, but today on the left hand bar, I know it's edge gluing and lamination. Then it's giving me only 3 file, but also I can say it's a tool. So then it will also select one more, which is the pressure calculation tool. When I click on this, it brings me to my pages where it's telling me, explaining me what it is. The tool calculator is like an images that you need to click on it to bring you to the real tool chart, which open a new pages, but this is where you need to be. So the first thing to know is which kind of clamp carrier you own from Doucette. Either it's the SRX, which is the manual tightening tool with the hydraulic gun that you move in front of each clamp. You've got the RT100, which is the rowboat tightener and untightener, and what automatically tight and untight. And you got the RT, which is a double rowboat, but basically the bottom rowboat with tightening up is the same than the RT100, and you got the loosener at the top. But today what we're trying to achieve is find the pressure when you're tightening up. So let's say we pick the RT100. The rapid change, and now we got the change between rapid chain and Acme screw. And if I click here, there's kind of pictures showing up. So rapid chain is the clamp with the hole where you can quickly move the jaws, or the full screw long clamp. So let's say I'm going to do a full screw style today. So then I have like the choice of motor, either 25 or 50 cc. And again, if I put my info, it explained to me it's only for the RT100 and RLT. So there's different way you can find it. And if you go on your motor, they're explaining to you, if you find the motor size, it gives you what it is, how to find it. But also a quick explanation. It's more like the 50 cc is the standard motor for all application. But sometime if customer has, like as I pick right now the full Acme screw, you gluing up panel under 1.5 inches, and you want to, and you are really high volume application. Sometime we install the 25 cc because it's a higher rotation motor, so it's going to move the bag jaw quicker. The back side of it, it's a bit less stronger in torque, meaning you're limited to about 1.5 inches in thickness of wood. So let's say I stay with the 50 cc. Today, I'm going to look at your wood thickness. I mean, it's pretty obvious what it is. I'm going to say it's 1.5 inches. Then I have my clamp center to center. So again, the clamps are, if you take 2 clamps and you measure the distance between each of those will give you, so today I'm going to say it's 12 inches. Okay. After I pick up those first parameters, then it's asking me which pressure is required by the glue application. Normally the glue supplier will tell you that, or maybe tool rule of thumb for edge gluing somewhere in the 80 to 100 psi, and maybe to the 125 when you do phase gluing type of stuff. But also we're giving you a range here based on the first selected parameters. So if I need to go, let's say, higher than 194 in my example, it's probably because my clamp center distance need to be smaller. Because if I lower down my clamp distance center, then I know I have a bigger range of pressure, and that's normal because the clamp are closer together. So I go back to my 12 inches, and I'm going to say today I want 80 psi on my joint, and then I just have to do calculate, and then it's giving me 944 psi to adjust on my gauge on my RT100. And here's the explanation how to adjust your tightening pressure, basically. So you can follow that procedure, explain to you, and then you'll be good to go and tighten up your panel.
So I hope you learned a lot today around that video and demo. And finally, I would say I want to thank you, because if you need that tool, that's mean you're using our product, and we want to thank you for that. If you have any question on that, what we explained today or something, just contact us either by email or contact our phone by phone, and it would be our pleasure to help you. Thank you again.